In this guide, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use your controller to text chat here in Battlefield 6. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this obviously isn't very straightforward. Most games let you just hold down on the touchpad or press a single button, but Battlefield 6 does hide it a little bit. First things first, go ahead and press the options button on your controller. And once this menu does pop up for you, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is first make sure that you do have the text chat option turned on. So go into your graphics settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and make sure you have chat visibility on either when active or on show. In this case, I'm just going to put it on show, and as you can see, it's now up in the left corner. But now from here, press that options again, and what you're going to want to do when this menu is open is press that touchpad if you're on PlayStation, or if you are on an Xbox, for example, press that view button, which is going to be that button with the two little boxes on it. And this is going to open up the chat interface. Now you can use R1 or RB to move between tabs, and you'll see options for everyone, team, or squad. Once you're on here, go ahead and press X or A on Xbox to open up the typing box, and you could type in your message on this on-screen keyboard. On PlayStation, you can even use this motion sensor, which makes it a lot easier to go ahead and do. When you're done typing, just go ahead and hit R2 to send it. In this case, let's say I just say like, okay. Actually, I guess I'll say I know. R2 to send, and boom, it's going to pop up there. So again, press options, then the touchpad or view button, and then use R1 to switch to your chat tab, and then type your message and R2 to send. That is how you can use text chat on a controller here in Battlefield 6. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, remember that you can ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.